Hi everybody, I'm at our home in Chicago for a brief moment. And I'm with my wife Anamaria. I'm looking at her new Hugelkultur startup area, and it looks very cool. And here's Anamaria. Hi.
Hi everybody.
And we've talked about Hugelkultur in some earlier shows at a home in Lake Forest to remove the material you are rebuilding. Hugelkultur mounds out of that will be planted. So what are you doing next year?
Well, so actually this Hugelkultur mounds, I've been building them up for about 4 years. So every time I get sticks, I've just been putting them in a mound. And this year I got a really great gift. One of my landscaping friends brought me about 20 bags of leaves, and I just started to stack them up and stuff them in between the sticks. Then next year what I'll start to do is take more weeds that my friends will be giving me and then stack that on top.
So that's
and then,
cool.
Yeah.
You're joyfully happy getting everybody's weeds. When I met her 5 years ago, this lot was heaven for Canadian thistles. I've never seen more thistles in my life 5 years ago. Yeah. And look at what it's become. Look at the trees, the fruit trees, how they've grown. That's just an amazing transition in a 5-year period of what's happened here. And I just get so excited that somebody's weeds are the most cherished things my wife can get for this garden.
Yeah.
So you'll be bringing soil in to cover this and plant this?
Yep. That's what we'll do next year. And then I think probably I'll scatter some seeds, maybe some, I'm not sure what I'll do yet, but it's always an adventure.
Yeah, that's what it is. So thanks everyone. I wanted to stop and show you Anamaria's one straw. It was a vacant lot, right? How many years ago was this just a vacant lot with?
So this is about a 10-year-old garden now, and before that, for 25 years, it was a vacant lot.
There was a home here that got knocked to the ground or burned down.
12 unit apartment.
It was a 12-unit apartment right here. Isn't that cool? And it's just slowly moving forward and not being in a hurry either. You can't be in a hurry. You just have to have goals and objectives and enjoy what's here. And kids come through and eat fruit, don't they, through the summer?
They run through, they eat fruit, they go up the hill that's made up of wood chips. And
oh yeah, the wood chip hill.
They sit on the log.
We got to take a walk to the wood chip hill. This is the play area, the wood chip hill. Wood chips get dumped off here, and the kids they love to play on it. And then you have a fire too, don't you?
Yeah, we have a fire pit here. This year we didn't do our marshmallow roast, but we will.
Right, there was no real social gathering that much here this year. But boy, it's really special. All right, we're on our way to Possibility Place. We'll do a show from there soon.
Get more trees.
And gain more trees. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll see y'all later too. Bye. Hi everyone. I'm at our home in Lawndale in Chicago, just stopping in to work on a vacant lot with my wife Anamaria. I just wanted to show you her one straw garden that was once a vacant lot and how beautiful it is. It's just gorgeous, and it's filled with food, a food forest. And I'm gonna catch up with my wife right now. She's just took me for a walk through it. Hi, Anamaria.
I don't look. Hi, everybody.
So how you feel? It looks good.
Yeah, I mean, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful.
Looks
I'm really
good.
proud of it.
And when was this a vacant lot?
13 years ago.
13 years.
So it's been, well, I mean, it's been a vacant lot for over 30 years.
When did you start planting this?
We moved in here in 2000, I don't know, 12 years ago?
12 years ago.
Yeah.
Look at the
That
trees.
what you see is Nanking cherry. That's this one right
That's
here.
Nanking cherry, okay.
Nanking cherry. And then in the back, that's European plum.
What's the trees right here?
This is apple.
Okay.
And this is a Prunus serotina, wild black cherry.
Wow. I remember when I
Granny
first
Smith
got
apple.
here. When I first got here, probably 5-6 years ago, I met Anamaria. All I could think of was, how in the world are we going to get rid of a field of thistles. It was filled with Canadian thistle, and I learned from that they will disappear as you garden it up. As you keep enhancing it and adding value, the thistles get replaced by the things you garden it up to. I learned a lot. I'm very excited about this aging process I'm going through because I keep learning what makes something beautiful. So we're going to take off, work on another vacant lot for a moment, and there she is. I'll see y'all later.
Get coffee.
Get coffee. Thanks everybody, bye.